For question 4, part C, okay, this question is of course about enzyme, okay, and in this experiment they give the time taken versus the temperature. Okay, we are usually used to temperature versus rate, okay, whether it's a rate of reaction, which is also the rate of activity of enzyme. Okay, so we are usually used to this, but this time this is on the reverse, because rate of reaction or rate of enzyme activity is inversely proportionate to the time. So if I were to look at your question part C, okay, the optimum temperature is about 38 to 39 degrees Celsius, or, okay, depending on what, let me check, I think 39, okay, 39 degrees Celsius. You're supposed to explain your answers in A. That one is you need to explain what is the data that the optimum temperature is at 39 degrees Celsius, okay, and what the other thing that you need to talk about is the time taken at 50 degrees Celsius. So at the optimum temperature, you notice that the time taken is the least. Okay, time taken is at least at 2 minutes thereabouts. Okay, so that's not the answer. You need to explain it using the rate of enzyme activity. So at this optimum temperature, the Ke of enzyme in the molecule is the fastest. Okay, is the fastest. Okay, and therefore you have the most number. Okay, the most number of enzyme substrate complex. So that is the explanation at this. So you need to distinguish what is the data, which is this one, and the explanation. Okay. For the second answer, B part, A part 2, okay, the time taken is quite long. Okay, it's about 18 minutes. Okay, 18 minutes. So you will need to explain why it is quite long, longest at 18 minutes. Okay, so that explanation is because the enzyme is denatured, so molecule X cannot bind the active site. This is for question 4 of paper 6.